Now, when you now go and put pieces in your own, we're running around the town from one store to another. That's our chicken. Oh, you can fuck this one up. It's just a pot water. Interesting. Hi, good morning. So it's the next day. If you watch yesterday Vlogmas, you should know that we're supposed to go to the market today. We're running around the town from one store to another, and it got late. We couldn't go to the market, so we're just getting ready to go to the market. So let's go.
Yes, for the betterment of the road. There you go. Check it out. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Is there space inside?
We are parked outside.
We got a draft and all like this.
I used to want to like go there and go ask. But yeah, give me. So what? No, I want soup. Why you sad? Now, when you now go and put pieces in your own.
Okay, I don't know what this thing.
It's not you. Who eats it? Is it not you? I'm just making it out because of you.
Oh, yeah, no, so
how am I going to do it? Measure it how you should measure it. I mean, it
how about you?
I didn't know they go to
How far? I do more like that. I do more like that.
That's our chicken. Guys, I'm back. I have my tomatoes for stew, and I have my pot for soup. I did boil my meat. I have my onions. I'm making 4 soups. I have my periwinkle. I have another tomatoes for ofada sauce. I have my dry fish, egusi, and all of that. I'm here panning pepper. So I'm making. I know that you guys will be like, you look different. I did take down my hair at the market. So I'm making stew, egusi soup, afang soup, and ofada sauce this evening. So I'm just pounding my pepper. Let me show you. Now, when you now go and put pieces in your own, we're running around the town from one store to another. That's our chicken.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business. Getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.